The top 8 reasons why women fall in love. Why do women fall in love? Most of you might think that due to the heavy influence of the things they see in the movies, TV, and most especially social media, women now fall in love for rather superficial reasons. Even TV shows highlight scenarios where the lead female character goes head over heels with a rich and handsome guy. But this doesn't necessarily answer the age-old question, why women find themselves in love with someone. Indeed, the actual answers remain a mystery. But one thing's for sure, when they fall in love, they see beyond the looks, glamour, and money. You may want to check out these 8 possible top reasons why and how the female species go giddy over someone and fall for them to the core. Number 1. Laughter. Laughter is more than just the best medicine. It's also a way to a woman's heart. When a girl laughs over a guy's jokes, she laughs wholeheartedly. She also sees the guy as a person who would cheer her up whenever she feels down, who will sit by her side in times she feels all alone, and someone who will never leave even in times of great distress. Yes, laughter. It's key to making their hearts skip a beat. It's also a way to mend arguments and misunderstandings. Indeed, it's a lucky charm that keeps her loving her partner even more. Number 2. Chivalry. Another reason why women fall in love is chivalry. It's getting scarce these days, but men who practice chivalry towards their female friends always get the brownie points toward any woman's heart. This is because chivalry is a way of showing that you do not just care for the girl, but you want to protect her at all times, against all sorts of harm. Women value the sense of security they get from their guy, as with him they feel safe and away from danger. So if you are trying to win a girl's heart, make sure she is comfortable whenever you are together. Open the door as she gets out of the car, offer to carry her bags, and cover her up with your sweater to keep her from the cold. Number 3. Thoughtfulness. Women also feel giddy over men who are thoughtful. This is simply because they feel special, wanted, and top priority. They find it very romantic when a guy sends them a sweet, cheerful message in the middle of the day, or when he remembers special dates and occasions. They also take to heart that he gives presents, regardless of price or style, because it's the thought that counts. Number 4. Food. Who says women don't fall for food? Just like men, the way to a woman's heart is through her stomach, and there's a logical reason behind this. When a guy cooks for a woman, she not only gets her cravings satisfied, she also feels that this person is someone she can depend upon. She feels loved, cared for, and appreciated, and most of all, spared from the mundane tasks of everyday life. Not all men realise this, however, thanks to gender roles and other cultural traditions. But when a woman finds her man preparing her a meal, no matter how simple the toast and scrambled eggs might look, she'd definitely brew feelings for him. Number 5. Honesty. Honesty, according to Billy Joel, is such a lonely word. True, but it's also the key to making a woman fall for you. Honesty goes far beyond telling the mere truth. It's about being sincere with both your words and actions. You are honest when you keep your promises, regardless of how grand or meek they are. You are also honest when you don't omit details. When a girl finds you sincere and is not fooling around, the more she finds herself attracted to you. It's all because she knows you won't deceive her intentionally and that you only want the best for her. Number 6. Value for family. Women find relationships worth keeping if they see their man having a high regard for family, both his and hers. A woman appreciates it when a man cares for his parents and treats them with the utmost respect, because she knows he can give the same amount of respect to her. She appreciates it even more when he takes the effort to introduce her to his family, and likewise when he does his best to win the hearts of her own kin. This isn't easy to do, as family members have their own tastes and preferences, but winning their hearts and making sure that you too are worth their approval makes a guy a big catch in any woman's eyes. Number 7. Patience. Women can sometimes be fickle-minded. They are full of qualms, and they can be noisy. They sometimes nag or bicker when things don't go their way. And with this, they hope for a man who is patient, the kind who listens and doesn't fight back. It's because, while they can be emotional, they look for a guy who knows how to stay as their rock in times of uncertainty. They feel secure with a person who allows them to speak their mind and let out their rambling feelings until they calm down. When they see this kind of patience in a guy, women know that he's totally a keeper. Number 8. Valuing individuality. Lastly, women fall in love when they see that this person knows how to respect them for who and what they are. When this person doesn't hold them back from reaching their aspirations and is happy for their achievements, ladies know that this guy is a catch. This is because not all men have this unique ability to set their ego aside for the sake of love. A man who is able to do this for his woman is actively demonstrating that he loves and respects her so much. He sees her as his equal, his partner, no more and no less. And this is what women all look for in a man they'd want to spend the rest of their life with. Women fall in love just because, but this doesn't mean they don't yearn for certain qualities. The reasons covered are only a few indicators of why and how women find themselves giddy and vulnerable, and it's all because they are starting to give in to the feelings called love. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.